Hi guys, do you remember me? Yeah, I'm Chelsea and today I'm gonna make clear slime. Okay, now let's get started. First of all, pour some clear glue and I use blue clear glue cause it's my favorite color. Then pour some slime activator to it. And now it's time to mix it well. Mix and mix. Oh, it's getting slimy. I love it. Now let's play with it to decrease its stickiness. After using, keep it safe in an airtight container. Ta-da! It's time to rest it overnight and now it's ready! Oh no, it's really very sticky. Oh, leave me, Whitey. No, I'll never leave you. I'm really tempered. Play here, otherwise I'll beat you. Oh, don't do it. No, stop it, I say. Just come with me. I'll never leave you. Wait, after cleaning I'll come to you. You messed up the floor. Definitely there's a punishment for you today. Go inside. And guys, hope you would like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.